Which/Whereis differences? What's the difference between which and Whereis?
Whereis searches the standard *nix locations for a specified command, which searches your user-specific path, which may include some of the locations Whereis searches and may not include others. It might also include some places that Whereis doesn't search if you'd added to your path.
Quoting their man pages. Whereis locates source/binary and manual sections for specified files. For instance, i.e., the PHP executable and some other stuff, like man pages. And which returns the path names of the files which would be executed in the current environment. For instance, i.e., only the PHP executable.
How about learning about Whereis, and which using what is? Basically, Whereis searches for possibly useful files, while which only searches for executables. I rarely use Whereis. On the other hand, which is very useful, especially in scripts. Which is the answer for the following question: where does this command come from?
Which search for executables in the directories specified by the environment variable path. And if found out, the full path name of this executable will be printed. $which ls/bin/ls $which ifconfig $#, no output, because ifconfig only exist in root's path. Whereis search for executables, source files, and manual pages using a database built by system automatically. $Whereis less/bin/less/usr/bin/less break time equals 1s/break time equals 1s/break. But it seems that Whereis and locate don't use the same database. When I installed the software and then used Whereis and locate immediately to search for this software, the result is that Whereis could find out some files related to this software while locate couldn't. Do they really use different database? How the database work? Well, how about refuse to be a pedant? Smiley face.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.